Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Spring has finally arrived in the Carpathians, so it's time to get some work done. And today, you have to excuse the village, the noise is incredible, everybody's working. Today we're going to take down a small tree, in fact 2 small trees. I want to extend my driveway, which means removing a fence which has been there for about 60 years, and it means removing a tree which is actually embedded inside the fence, or it's grown into the fence. Now, because we're actually on a road which separates one part of my land from another, and it's a public road, I need the tree to fall onto my land. So today we're going to look at how to cut a tree so it falls in basically the direction you want it to go in. Now, it doesn't always, so there is a reason lumberjacks traditionally shouted timber, and that's basically to let anyone in the area know there's a tree coming down. It's not a big tree, but it can still cause a lot of damage. So now the best way to bring down a tree so it falls where you want it to fall is, first of all, you make a notch on one side. Make a notch here, and then we'll cut it slightly higher, going downwards on the opposite side. The notch has to face the direction you want the tree to fall in. So we'll start with the notch. Tiring work after a long winter. Sorry, tree. Okay. As you can see, we've cut out the notch. It's almost halfway. Maybe it could be done with a little bit more, but because the wire is embedded, I'm not sure how this is going to fall. So, safety first. The notch is here, so we need to make the cut at about here, slightly higher. Whew. Well, I must have been a beaver in a previous life, because that even looks like a beaver cut. So that's the first part done. forgot. Timber! Alright then. We've taken down our little tree and I can start work taking down the fence. I have no idea how I'm going to separate the tree from the fence, but I don't think that'll make interesting video. That'll be a very, very long, painful process. So, to recap, always make sure to make the notch facing the direction you want the tree to fall. Then cut from behind at quite a sharp angle, maybe 45 degrees, on the opposite direction. It does help occasionally to give the tree a bit of a push, or even use ropes if it's a big tree. Just remember, trees can fall wherever they want. A knot or a strange growth can cause a tree to fall anywhere, and widowmakers do kill. They really do. As always, subscribe, like my videos, and be free.